Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jay Lee. I am coming to you guys with a wig review, y'all. This video is on a wig. It is beautiful. It is soft. I am so in love. This video is sponsored by Aidaiya Hair. But like I did explain to them, I was going to give an honest review. The pros, the cons, the goods, the bads. But they still said, yes, they wanted that honest review. This is the packaging that it does come in. I requested a Waterway 12-inch wig. I'm not really into a whole bunch of long hair anymore, so I wanted something really short. But this is the hair. Look at it. No product is on this hair. It does come with three hair clips in the front, and then it has one in the center. It has drawstrings on it, adjustable straps. The inside of the cap is actually well constructed. It's not gappy or patchy or bunchy in here, which I like because it's fitted very well. The parting space, because this is a lace frontal, the parting space is actually pretty decent. It's not bad at all. The lace isn't hard. It is a little light, so if you want to tint it, you could. Also, they said that you can dye and bleach this hair. It is currently very soft, so I feel like it would still be very soft if you did bleach it. I know in the beginning, I had thought about doing that, but I changed my mind. I don't want to do that, not right now. This hair, even with me running my finger through it, it doesn't tangle, and it's wet and wavy, and you guys can, the water wave, you can literally see me running my fingers through it. When I opened the box, it didn't have a bad chemically smell or anything like that. It did have the package smell, but it wasn't that bad. In the box, it comes the wig, the mesh net that I'm wearing, or a stocking cap. You also get this mirror as well. The lace isn't hard at all. I will say that. It does have baby hairs, which I won't use because I don't use baby hairs really. The hairline is pre-plucked. I will probably go in and customize it a little bit more to my liking. But initially, I'm just going to go ahead and try this wig on. So first, what we're going to do is I am going to measure the wig on my head and do all those things. I am making a separate video on how to install this unit over box braids. So if you guys would give me a little bit, I will be back with the wig on, set, and I will tell you. Welcome back. So I did install this unit. Guys, I am so in love. I actually had to stop recording. My battery died. So I actually didn't get to finish even recording the install, but I'm gonna redo it and stuff like that. This wig, y'all, it is so soft. And the only two things I actually did put on the wig was some silk elements. Sorry, I lied. Some silk elements, foam styling lotion, and I spritzed it with some water, and that was it. This wig is great, guys. Like, it is not tangling. It is still soft. Like, and look, you can't even tell that I got a head full of braids under here. Like, that is how thick it is. Like, and it's big. Like, I thought it was actually going to be a twinge pitch shorter. So that's why I got 12 inches, because I wanted it to be a bob. And you know how sometimes when you get hair, they will say it's 12 inches, but it'll shrink up and be shorter. Well, that wasn't the case with this. But I love it. I will say that the parting space, if you want it to be a side part, is not as deep. because I don't do center parts, but like if I did this in a center part, it actually does go back pretty far. As you can see, it would go back pretty far, but I don't wear center parts, so the sides stop right about here, but the center stops all the way back here. So if you do want to purchase this wig, just be advised, if you want a side part, it's not going to go as deep. I did not actually pluck the edges. I did cut the baby hairs. I put a pinch of darker pressed powder right there, and it looks really skin-like. I didn't bleach the knots. We didn't do any of that stuff. We literally took the wig out of the box and we put it on. I love this wig, guys. I'm in love. Like, I will be getting more hair from them and letting you guys know the different styles that I get. Because I am in love with this hair. Like, look, it's like nothing is coming out. It is very soft. It is fluffy. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, just a little bit of me wetting it down. So you can see that even with it being curly, it actually is still very full. Because I know some of them actually do get really tissue paper thin when you put product in it. This one did not at all. Like, it doesn't at all. It's still it's just when you define the curls, it's more or less not as fluffy, but it's still full. Like, look, guys. When I tell you this wig is God's honest truth, look, like, I lie to you not. And you're literally seeing me do this live. Well, not live, but recording it. This is so pretty. And look. It is beautiful. Do I give this 2 thumbs up? If I had more thumbs, baby, it would get it. It is worth the money. This wig is $76. I will drop the link down below. And that's including shipping and everything. Well, tax, because I'm Prime. So including tax, this link would be $76. If you don't have Prime, then you still have to pay for shipping. But yes, I'm in love with this wig. I love it so much. I'm about to do some makeup, y'all. So, y'all, I don't even know. I don't have words for it. I can't even keep my hand on my head. I was like, I am fly. So, if you have any questions or concerns, let me know. I will come back in a few weeks and let you know how it actually stood up in the coming weeks of me actually wearing it. If it shedded, if it, you know, just tangled up or what it did. But first impressions, I'm in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. So look for an update in about 2 weeks on this hair. See you later. Mwah.